welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post videos on my channel Thursdays and Sundays, most of the time Thursdays and Sundays, and today's video is a monthly video. We're gonna be opening up my Glossybox. I was like, where does it say the name on the box? Glossybox for the month of November 2022, and it arrived barely in November. Why does it take so long, Glossybox? Like, what? Why? I'm curious. Like, I'm still gonna open it. Just saying. Anyway, if you're new to Glossybox, it is a monthly subscription. Prices and everything down below in the description. I received this as a gift for, I think, a year. And I'm teetering on like renewing my yearly membership. I'm not entirely sure if I want to. If you get Glossybox, let me know down in the description below if you do. If you chose to renew it. If you didn't, why? If it's because the box that it now comes in, that's extremely difficult to open, I understand why you didn't renew it. I understand right then and there. Stop what you're saying. I understand. What is this? I have my handy dandy little cloud knife that I now use to open the box, because the box does not like to open on its own anymore. But like, look how easy this in theory should be, right? So easy. And I forget how long ago it was they started doing this, like a few months back. Go check out my playlist with my Glossyboxes. It'll have everything listed in there as well, and you can see when this started. Also see what items I've gotten previously. They vary based off of the type of items you get. You get some full size, some deluxe size, and some sketchy sizes. If you've seen my past Glossybox videos, you know what I'm talking about. Some sketch. Anyway, Glossybox. Beautiful, pink, pretty. And let me tell you, well, let me show you. Let me take this. Normally it comes out pretty easy, but oh, you smell good. Smells nice. Eat. And HelloFresh coupons. I don't use, my family's too big for that. Look at this box. Is this not just the perfect regifting box? I have saved all of my boxes, and I've already started regifting with some of them, and they're perfect. Let me tell you, they're perfect. If you don't like the whole Glossybox thing on the front, put the card right here. Easy peasy. Or in one case, when I had to send something up to my niece, I put the shipping label right here. So everything else was just pink and pretty and wrapped like so nice. Except for the tape. But it was nice. Oh. Oh. So first of all, we smell good. Very like herbally. I don't know what this is, but it smells so good. It looks like a little gift to myself, which I think is perfect. This doesn't happen every month, so take a picture, because this isn't gonna last forever. But I like that. I think that's so pretty. And this little card on top, was it a little card? I've never seen this before. It says Rock and Glam. Rock and Glam. Scan me to read this month's Glossy magazine with all your latest tips and trends. Oh, cool. Normally you get like a little insert that tells you all the items you've received or could have received. But here it is. Let's open it together. Oh, it's so cute. So precious. I love this. I love this. I love this. Ah! I feel bad for ripping it. Ugh, but I want inside. Ooh. Oh. Wow. We're nicely packed. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Very cute. I'm guessing, since I don't see the little card that sometimes comes in here, or pamphlet that tells you what you could possibly receive, I have to scan this little cutie, and we'll just go from there. How do I scan? Oh, I'm struggling. I cannot get my phone to scan this, so we're just gonna kind of go based off of what I see, and hopefully by the time I post this I can add everything or find everything and then add it to my description down below. I'm kind of sad. Glossybox. I feel like I'm gonna compare them to Ipsy for a moment here. Bear with me. So for Ipsy, I can either look at that cute little card that sometimes does and does not come with the information of what I receive in my box or my bag for Ipsy, or I could go online to my account. I can go to my app and look at my account, and I could see the items there that I got. On the very first page, it tells me about what I got. Me. This doesn't say anything. It's just like, oh, you want some spoilers? No, it is the end of November. I want to know what I got. It's the end. I just put up my Christmas decorations. It's the end. Anyway, I'm fine. I'm calm. Let's move on. Items so far. The first thing I found pretty interesting here. It's an item from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It is a satin pillowcase. It feels so nice. I love the way these feel. So good. Oh. It says silky satin prevents bedhead and pillow creases, which is all so nice. Comes with one cute pattern. Doesn't really match my my bedroom colors, but it's still great. I love these to sleep with. I feel like with as many small humans I have like coming around the house and going here and there, and just like the stress my poor pillows go through, I've had 2 satin pillowcases and they last for a while and they do really great. They feel so nice, but they don't last forever, which is okay, but these are nice. Very cute. I don't think I've heard of the Vintage Cosmetic Company before. This is pretty cool. I wonder if this, oh, so it's a standard pillowcase size. I have king size pillows. We can see if we can make it work. It's not this that smells. I want to find out what smells. Let's keep going. What are you? You are from REPLENIX, Anti-Aging, Age Restore, Nighttime Therapy. Okay. Medical grade ingredients with ceramides, peptide complex, and green tea polyphenols. It is not this that smells, but very cute. I like it. Intense moisturizer with plumping peptides. After cleansing the skin, applied to the desired area, face, neck, décolleté, in upward strokes. So you want to keep your skin from falling. You want to just rub it in up. I think it works. I think it works. That's just me. On to the next item. I got a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 6 items. Normally you get like 5? 6. Anyway, this, it might be this that smells. This is from RMS Beauty. It's a tinted daily lip balm. A renewing tinted lip balm with a gorgeous hint of natural colors. Apply to lips or cheeks for a moisture-rich flush of color. Now that's something I love to see. When you are a product that can do multiple things in multiple places, we just became best friends. Not to mention, I love shiny. Look. Look at that. This is not what it smells. But that color is beautiful. If this is not wintry, oh, I don't know, it is. Look, RMS. I think I've heard of RMS Beauty. I don't think I have any items from them, but this, actually, I don't really have a lot of my lipstick on anymore. Real quick. It's not super crazy like pigmented. If you give it like a little buildup, it is. Otherwise, I like this. I don't know why I'm putting it back in the box, because this is gonna go in my purse and we're gonna use this every day. Let me wipe this off my hand before I wipe it on my pants. Every time, I swear. Next. Ooh! Grande liner. Hello. From Grande Cosmetics. I do enjoy Grande Cosmetics. They're a bit pricier, but they do a good job at what they do. This is a 2-in-1 liquid eyeliner and lash enhancing serum. And oh, let me tell you, since I've been like on and off with my lash extensions, which by the way are so beautiful. It is like, it's so hard to recover from lash extensions because I know how beautiful I could be. Just to wake up, be beautiful, and walk out the door. And now I just have to wake up, put on some makeup, put on some mascara, and I know I'm still not good enough without those lashes. But it's okay. I'm learning to love myself. And the lash serum is helping me. So this is pretty cool. It comes with both in there. Ooh. Oh, and we're like double sealed. Okay. What color are you? I'm assuming black, but it doesn't say. It says expires in July 2024. Grande liner, liquid eyeliner with lash enhancing serum. That's it. And you are not what smells, but you do smell good. Oh, it says black. I knew it. Most items you get are universal. Are you? This might be it. This is from Aromatherapy Associates London. It's the De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or too much physical activity. Cool. Any instructions on how to... No? It does say once open, best use within 6 months. Are you already open? Oh god, oh god. It expanded in there real quick. Okay. I don't want it. Well, I guess I got 6 months to use it. I mean, I'm not stressed, but I have been cleaning. It's a moisturizer. I don't even, muscle gel. I don't have anything that hurts. Oh, we soaked in so good. I love the smell though. I love this smell. It's sticky. Oh, but we're so, that took no time at all to soak in. This just smells so like herbally and aromatherapy. It's good. I like it. It's not for everyone, but I like it. Then the last item is from Borghese Roma Advanced FANGO Activity Mud for Face and Body. I like mud. I really wish I had that little card that told me more about it, but it doesn't. It smells like a typical little mud mask would. Not like you can smell it, but you can see. Very cute. I like it. Just a little dollop of mud in there. Just take it out, rub it all over. What do? Chill. Apply a generous layer to your clean skin, face, neck, and or body. Avoid lip and eye area. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly using a warm wet sponge or washcloth. Use 1 to 2 times a week or as needed. Let me tell you this right now. This, if I use this, if I only use it for my face, maybe I can get 2 uses out of this. Maybe. If I use this for my body, you better believe I'm gonna be standing in that shower, just slather it all on. I probably won't even get through my whole body. Like, not that I have a lot of body, but it says apply a thick layer, generous layer. But it's nice, cool. Never heard of this brand, but I do like muds. Let's do this. And that's everything for my Glossybox for November 2022. And look, I see I'm not that annoyed anymore. I'm not. They did such a good job putting everything in here. I don't know how I'm gonna do putting everything back. Probably not that good of a job. But this isn't going back in that box anyway. Nothing should go back in the box. It all should be dispersed to its little holding areas. But this is coming with me. And because I'm lazy, I keep everything in the box. And then in like a week or two or like a month, I'll go through it. The one thing, I mean, I liked all these products. They were nice, good, cool. The one thing I didn't like is this little QR code thingy. But I did get some assistance from an expert. One of my small humans. And they make so much sense because I'm focused on just getting the information from the QR code. But if you look at this QR code, like as I blind you with it, you see this little white doodle here? It goes up into the QR code, which kind of messes things up. And at first I'm like, oh, maybe it's like somebody ripped it. But if you look at the other side, they have the little design here too. So Glossybox, was this not meant to truly be scanned? Is there really not this month's little Glossybox magazine pamphlet anywhere? I don't have enough faith in Glossybox to believe that there truly is a little magazine or pamphlet out there when you scan that. Let me know if anybody else has been able to scan it. If you were able to scan it. I was not. Plus, I'm walking away with this cutie. I love it. I love it. I do. I think it's wonderful. My hands smell great. I feel like I could tell you the names of rocks and their correlation to all the bugs around them. That's what this makes me smell like. Anyway, I just have a lot going on with this box right now. I don't have a ton of nice things to say, and my nana used to say if you don't have something nice to say, don't say nothing at all. So I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out though. If you enjoyed this month's Glossybox, you go ahead and hit that like button. Either way, hit the subscribe button. Go check out my playlist with all the rest of my Glossyboxes because it hasn't always been this bad. It hasn't. Sorta. I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you next time. Bye! So I've been trying to scan this and my QR code scanner on my phone won't work. Can you try it on your phone?
It's because that white down there. Code's not gonna work.